Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Git installed and Vscode ready. Open the project folder in Vscode because the editor works on the workspace level. Next, set your identity with git config global user, name and user. Email so commits attach to you. This prevents anonymous commits. Once done, check the source control view. Vscode detects repositories automatically. Make sure to enable the built-in Git extension. Without it, the editor won't surface commits, branches, or diffs. Now you connect to the remote. Choose SSH for persistent, secure access or a personal access token for HTTPS. If you pick SSH, generate a key with SSH keygen, add the public key to the remote host, and load it with SSH agent. This avoids typing passwords. If you use a token, store it in your OS credential manager and let Vscode prompt once. Then add the remote with git remote, add origin repo URL, and verify connections with git remote v. To ensure pushes and fetches, target the right repository. Finish by staging files in the source control pane, writing concise commit messages, and committing. Once committed, pull to reconcile upstream changes. Git pull, then push with git push origin your branch. This avoids conflicts. If Vscode shows authentication or push errors, recheck the remote URL and your active credential method. Often the SSH key isn't loaded or the token expired. One key troubleshooting tip. Run git fetch and git status in the integrated terminal to see upstream mismatches before forcing any merges or resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.